We searched how to buy shares of Quanex Building Products Corporation to show the steps. Quanex is a maker of building components listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NX, and this explanation is educational, not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade, and I use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NX to locate the Quanex listing. Confirm you have the correct company in the results before opening the asset page. On the Quanex asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the ticker NX to ensure this is the right stock. To place an order, tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link shown in this example is in the description below.